Hello, this is Briar Oliver, and I'm going to be presenting you today with my CIS 222 Windows Server project number 1. So in this project I installed Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, and then I downloaded a Windows Server and a Windows 10 server off of the website that was provided through Hack. So for my server, let me go to Preferences and go down to Network, and I'm under NAT Network, and I'm going to show you my IP range that my network will use right here under NAT Network Details. I said okay, and then now I will start up my Windows Server. And while that starts up, I will show you the product keys that I used. I just had them in a notepad file. So this is the product key I used for the Windows server right here, and I could not get the Windows 10 server to download properly, so I just got on the internet and just looked up a random Windows 10 downloadable ISO file, and it worked great. So let me put in the input here, go to keyboard, go hit Control-Alt-Delete, I'll type in my password, enter that. Loading up Server Manager. So now I'm going to go to Local Server, and then under the properties for my local server, which I named CIS 222 DC01, my IP address that has been assigned to my server is 192.168.0.10, and yeah, that's all I have for Project 1.